Alright, cool. So, check that out. That is little man's birthday cake. It is 3 days late, but we got it anyway. We're gonna call him out and sing him happy birthday. Alright? Ralphie, pause that and call Rick, please. Call Rick, tell him to come. All you two. Come on. Let's do this. Huh? Call Rick, bye-bye. Bring the coconut. Why do you have a coconut?
Come here.
Why do you have a coconut, though?
You gave me.
Because I gave it to you? Yeah, but why are you holding it?
Oh, yeah, because it makes a lot of mess if you put it down.
Okay. Call Rick, dude. No, it's over here, bro. Oh, just call Rick.
I can call him.
Yeah, by
accident. Knock on the door.
Let's light this bad boy.
What do I even tell him, Dad?
Why is it not? That's because it's upside down. The wax is turning it off. It's gotta be like that. Call Rick, bro. Hurry up, because wax is gonna get on the cake if you don't. I'm spilling wax on there already.
He said, hold on.
Okay, let's keep you. Put you right there.
Wait, why do you want to call Rick, Dad?
Because we're singing Rocky Happy Birthday.
How is wax getting on the cake already? No wax on my cake. Oh, can I have that one?
Close the door, Ralph, please.
I like this.
Yeah.
I like this. And I like this one for you.
Watch your hand. One more.
Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's gonna burn. Ow. I'm gonna end up on America's Funniest Videos. Ow, see? I burned myself. Oh. How am I gonna get it in there? Here, hold this. Got an idea.
Yeah. Oh.
Ow! Get in there. Ow. That hurt. It's gonna melt the balloon. Hold on. Wait. Okay. There's a hole in there for it.
I see it. I'm gonna burn myself.
That's what I'm saying. We should have done the inner ones first. Here, I'll do it. You wanna try?
How about I just do that? Do that. And then...
Somebody's got a brain! Wow, it works. And somebody doesn't know how to dress.
What?
Look at the boxers. Look at.
My pants are falling. It's not my fault.
Did you think you're a crib cuz or what?
No, my pants are falling.
Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jewel Holmes. Happy birthday, dear Rocky. Happy birthday to you. And many more on Channel 4.
What?
Scooby-Doo on Channel 2. He did it! Make your wish.
I
Yay! Alright. Happy birthday, Nappy Head. Let me cut it up. Okay.
I like cake deuces.
Pick your plate. Everybody's get one. There's 4.
Oh.
So, Rick, this one's Ralphie's because it's got no mayo. The other 3 are up for grabs.
I can't eat.
Just go ahead and grab the one you want.
I will grab this then.
Alright, let me get you a piece of cake with it.
I don't like cake. Deuces.
Deuces.
Don't play the video, Ralph.
Yes, that's all. The rings, bro. Check it out.
Yeah.
That's a baseball ring. Okay. You know what? We're going to have to get rid of this guy, too. And let's do this. And let's do this.
I also have a coconut.
And let's do this.
I forgot about the coconut.
All right, get your plate closer, Rick.
Yeah, let him have the first slice.
We're gonna have to do the tilt and scoop. Well, he's not ready with his plate.
Oh.
Unless you want to.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, closer, like right underneath. There you go. All right, tilt and scoop. Hold on. Nope. No. I know. Boom. And you got frosting on your bread. Oh wow, it looks tasty anyway. You did the birthday bit. Let me see. Get closer. Just kidding. All right, let's do this. All right, Rick. Woo! Cool.
Right.
There's a cactus cooler in the fridge, up top, on the other side in the freezer. They're getting cold. In the doorway, right there. Yo.
Nice. Thanks.
Yay! All right, Ralph. Don't forget your cactus cooler. Give your brother a cactus cooler, Papa, please.
Did you give Rick a piece of cake too?
Yeah, he just got it. There you go, bro.
Thanks, Ed.
Everybody set?
Yeah. Thanks.
Sweet. Happy birthday, bro. Sweetness. That's a happy weekday birthday for he's all licking the frosting off his sandwich. For a little 12-year-old. And I gotta get my slice. You know me, I'll be hungry. Oh yeah, look at that. Strawberry frosting. Woo! Oh yeah, that tastes so good. That frosting is killer. Yo. Right. Well, you can see my mess. I don't mind. But anyway, that does it for this mini video because we're going to go ahead and watch some YouTube and relax while we eat. You guys have a good one. Keep watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And don't hate me because I'm beautiful. Thank you.